These 5 smart glasses just replace your phone.
Here's something wild. You probably reach for your phone about 200 times today, just to check a text, translate a sign, or figure out where you're going. But what if all of that just happened right in front of your eyes? No phone, no pocket fumbling. 5 smart glasses just launched in 2026 that are making your iPhone feel ancient. One reads your mind through your wrist. Another has a screen so small, literally nobody around you can see it. And the most hyped one? It hasn't even dropped yet, but it's already reshaping entire industries. Stick around till the end because number 5 is the one everyone's waiting for, and the leaked features are absolutely mind-blowing. Let's talk about the glasses that might finally kill the smartphone. First up, Meta Ray-Ban display.
This is Meta Ray-Ban display.
And honestly, these are kind of insane. For $799, you're getting the first smart glasses with a full-color display built right into the lens. We're talking 600 by 600 pixels with 5,000 nits of brightness. You can literally read this thing in direct sunlight. But here's the crazy part, the neural band. It's this wristband that reads the electrical signals in your muscles. Flick your thumb, you just scrolled. Pinch your fingers, you took a photo. It feels like controlling things with your mind. The features are pretty wild. Live captions appear during conversations, super helpful in loud places. Real-time translation in 4 languages just floats in front of you. Turn-by-turn walking directions in 32 cities. Oh, and there's a teleprompter mode for presentations. The 12-megapixel camera shoots photos and videos hands-free, and you can even do video calls where your friend sees what you see while you see them on the display. Battery? About 6 hours of use, plus the case gives you another 24 hours. Now, here's the problem. They sold out instantly. The wait list is months long, and Meta literally can't make these fast enough. International launch got delayed because demand is that crazy. If you can get your hands on a pair, these are the most futuristic glasses you can buy right now. I've linked all these glasses in the description below if you want to check current availability. Next, Halliday AI glasses. And these, they're the invisible option. At just 35 grams, lighter than most sunglasses, these look completely normal, like your friend wouldn't even know you're wearing smart glasses. That's the point. The display is this tiny 3.6 millimeter micro LED that only you can see. To you, it's like looking at a 3.5-inch screen. To everyone else, nothing. It's hidden in the frame. They raised over $3.3 million on Kickstarter and now sell for $399, way cheaper than Meta's. What makes them special is the proactive AI. It doesn't just wait for commands, it actually helps you. During meetings, it fact-checks what people say, answers questions, and writes up meeting notes afterward. It's like having an assistant in your glasses. Real-time translation works across 40 languages. Someone speaks Chinese, English subtitles pop up instantly. There's even a cheat sheet feature for presentations. You can read notes that nobody else sees. You control everything with a companion ring on your finger. Just tap or swipe. Super discreet. Battery lasts 12 hours of active use, easily all day. The downside is the display is monochrome green, which is kind of limiting, and the ring controls take time to learn. But if you want information without anyone knowing, these are your glasses. Number 3, Rokid glasses.
Rokid glasses.
Travelers, this one's for you. Rokid launched 2 versions at CES 2026. There's the $599 model with AR display and the ultra-light version at $280 with no screen, just voice control. Both weigh almost nothing. The display version is 49 grams, the screenless one 38.5. You barely feel them. Here's why travelers love these. 89 language translation. 89! And 6 of those work offline, so you don't need internet. When you're in Tokyo or Paris, these give you live subtitles as people talk. They also translate signs and menus using the camera. The 12-megapixel camera records first-person videos hands-free for up to 10 minutes. Just say, "Hey Rokid, take a photo," and it captures the moment. It works with ChatGPT, DeepSeek, and other AI platforms. Google Maps does navigation. Microsoft AI handles translations. Control is super intuitive. Nod to answer calls, shake to hang up, or double tap the frame. Battery gives you 90+ photos, 45 minutes of video, or 4+ hours of calls. The charging case refills them 10 times. Reviewers say the speakers struggle in noisy places, and sometimes the AI is slow. But for breaking language barriers, these are unmatched. All the links to grab these are in the description if any of these are catching your eye so far. Fourth, Snap Spectacles. These drop late 2026, but they're already making noise. Snap spent 11 years and $3 billion building what they're calling a new type of computer. These aren't just smart glasses, they're full AR. Right now, developers can rent them for $99 a month. What they're showing off is impressive. A 46-degree field of view, like watching a 100-inch TV from 10 feet away. The lens is auto-tint based on lighting. And here's the kicker. They're fully standalone, no phone needed. They run Snap OS with dual processors, hand tracking, and voice control. Developers are building wild stuff. Real-time sign translation, AR drum lessons, pool shot assistance, recipe finders that look at your ingredients and tell you what to cook. The AI is powered by OpenAI and Google Gemini. Real-time transcription in 40+ languages. You can even generate 3D objects on the fly. Battery lasts 45 minutes of continuous use. They're heavy at 226 grams, but way lighter than any VR headset. The consumer version, launching in 2026, is supposed to be lighter and more polished. If Snap nails it, these could be the first real AR glasses for everyone. And finally, the one everyone's been waiting for, Apple Smart Glasses. They haven't even announced these yet, but the entire tech industry is already preparing. Rumor says late 2027 reveal, early 2027 release, and suppliers in Taiwan are already ramping up production for AR components because everyone knows when Apple enters a category, they dominate it. What will they do? First gen won't have a display, just cameras, AI, and audio. They'll pair with your iPhone like an Apple Watch. Expected features: built-in cameras with visual intelligence, point at something, get instant info, upgraded Siri with actual AI that can handle complex questions and real-time translation, built-in speakers that work seamlessly with AirPods, health tracking through sensors in the frames. Your iPhone handles the processing, so battery lasts all day. Multiple styles and colors, prescription support through custom inserts. Price? Probably $500 to $700. Premium, but competitive. The second-gen model in 2027 is rumored to add a full AR display. Apple's playing their classic game, not first, but best. By launch, developers will have years of prep time. The App Store will explode with AR apps. They're only making 3 to 5 million units first year. But if Apple delivers that signature seamless integration, these won't just compete, they'll define smart glasses for the next decade. So which one's the smartest? If you want mind control AR today, Meta Ray-Ban, if you can snag one. Want invisible intelligence? Halliday's got you. Traveling the world? Rokid's 89 language translation is unbeatable. Love AR experiences? Watch for Snap's consumer launch. Want the Apple ecosystem? Wait till 2027. Again, all the purchase links are down in the description below. Some of these are affiliate links, so if you grab one, it helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. Your phone isn't going anywhere yet, but these 5 glasses prove the future isn't in your pocket anymore. It's right in front of your eyes. If you enjoyed this breakdown, definitely check out my previous video on the top 10 AI gadgets at Amazon that are actually worth it in 2026. I'll link that up in the corner and in the description. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews like this. I'll see you in the next one.